Hey everybody, Cheezehead Chris coming at you. How's it going? Long time no cheese. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day here in northwest Wisconsin, and I wanted to do this PSA for my buddy Plain Ole Chuck. He seems not to get out much. He did not know what these were. Said he'd never seen one before. Now he saw some pictures, they were cast iron. Now most people would say these are grill pans. They're for using on grills, so for vegetables or whatever, so they don't fall through. So we're gonna demonstrate them. And to do that, we're gonna do Chuck's favorite, or one of his favorites I should say. But we're gonna corn dogs, or mini corn dogs in this case, and some tater tots. So I'm gonna grab, excuse me for a second, get into my dirty shed. So this is the first time for the grilling season that I'm using this, or actually second time I used it last night, but I haven't had a chance to really clean it down and stuff like that. So we're just gonna put some old spray on there. I think we only need the one. And like I say, we're just got a plate full of corn dogs and tater tots. Now I did thaw these out. These have been sitting for a good, out 45 minutes to a half an hour, I guess. So, I am gonna try something though. I've seen this, just to help try to crisp these up. I'm gonna spray a little bit. I wonder, you know, they say don't crowd the pan. We're gonna excuse me, keep the second pan going. Alrighty. So, we got them going. We're gonna, oh, if I can, there we go. We'll let them cook up and such, and we'll have some lunch here pretty soon. I will bring you back when we get ready to eat. Okay, so browning up pretty nicely. Say, it really doesn't take long. Yes, I know what some of you were thinking when I shut this down. Oh, don't grab that handle. I'm not dumb. Could be stupid sometimes, but I'm not dumb. Give my, they're crumbling a little bit. So yeah, this is how you do it, Chuck. Oh, I love my buddy Chuck. He is a good old guy. And most of you, my fellow followers and friends, would agree. At least I hope you would. So, hey, we might as well get some refreshment going, huh? So we got some good for my trip to Kentucky. Oh! Can you read that? There you go. Some Ale 8 or whatever. What is this? This is not actually, they call this, yes, Ale 8 and cherry. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I have had this before, And for those bus boys, yes, there's my lantern. You can't dock me on that. There's my lantern. Kind of an inside joke there. So ish, that's good. We don't need no tools. Flip them with your fingers. Yeah. And it might be actually best to cook the tater tots from frozen, or just don't mess with them. But like I'm doing, let them cook up. But I'm thinking my corn dogs could be about done here, I believe. So as you can see, we have no snow. We've had no snow this winter, like a lot of you. I think we average over 30 plus inches, and I think we barely got 12. And it was over an expanded period of time. So compared to last year, the lakes opened up last week, so don't have to. That's a good thing. And so hopefully with this early spring, we get fishermen. I mean, our fishing opener, Wisconsin fishing opener, doesn't open until first week in May. You can early fish on the river and stuff like that. And crappie season's open all year round. You know, small game fishing. We'll get the quad trails open and stuff like that, and people get up here, because we are a very vacation-oriented community, and the local restaurants and bars and hotel, pretty tough winter with no snowmobiling and not really any skiing and stuff like that. So you try to do what you can. Like I say, we're in the same boat. We have a rental unit, but it's been empty all winter, just because there's nothing to do. So we're hoping for a good, hopefully a good spring and summer. So, but all right, I'm getting hungry. Let's throw a little pepper. Pepper goes flying. We got salt. Not supposed to eat salt, but I had my blood work done Mondays. I got my appointment tomorrow, so the doctor won't know what I'm eating now. So, okay. I think they're hot. Almost a fern bark. Not that hard to fern bark, but let me grab my plate here. Turn these off. We don't need any more heat. I think we're done. Yeah, they're done enough. Grab this so we don't grab the handle, so I don't fern bark my hand. Mustard and ketchup, because yes, that's how I like it. You don't think that's right? Well, I didn't make them for you. Made them for me. Bring it down just a tad. There we go. Am I in it yet? We can't see it. I have a monitor. So I can see what the hell I'm doing. So here we go. I'm pretty sure Chuck would approve. Yep. Oh no. Well, Tator Tots didn't probably that's a learn. Let's chop this up to a learning experience. The corn dogs, yes, we'll have to try it again. The corn dogs are kind of falling apart. They didn't, so that might be best to do from frozen. But corn dogs work great, and I think they work better. They get cooked through when they're thawed out. Oh. So there you have it, folks. I'm not going to sit here and eat all this whole plate in front of you. So I hope everybody else is doing good and everything like that. I hope you get outside soon. Get out and do something, even if for a half hour. Get some of the sun. Hopefully it's sunny your way and not too rainy. We know we desperately need some rain. Very, very much so. But yeah, I'm hoping to get out now it's nicer weather, to get out more and shoot some videos. I got some ideas. I want to use the, well, I guess you've seen in some of my shorts, got some new toys, got some new stoves and such, and do some more cooking. I want to do some from the river and stuff like that, but I'm kind of leery just because it is so dry that I don't really, I guess you could take one of my camp stoves with me. I just am afraid of us starting a fire because we are that dry. So okay, I'm just rambling now. So there you go, Chuck. I hope that helps you understand things. I hope you take this with a grain of salt and tongue in cheek like I intended, and wish you were here. You can see this is, as you can see, maybe not. Yeah, the hash browns didn't work real well, or the tater tots. But if you're here, I'd share. And unlike my my hero Caroline and Chris, I would share, and I wouldn't say if you hurry up and get here, you can have some. But y'all know I'm kidding. He does share. I do have video proof of him sharing begrudgingly, that turkey foot. I am always going to give him grief about that. So, yep, that one's hot. So, okay, till next time, get outside, have some fun, and best of all, or most of all, keep her cheesy. Cheezehead out.